How to speed up Windows PC in just 15 seconds. To do this, first click on the Start menu and select Settings. From the Settings screen, go to System Notifications and Actions on the left pane in turn. Toggle the button to off to disable the notification-based alerts.
Speed up a slow PC in 15 seconds. Open the Settings menu. Select the Personalization. Select Option Colors. Toggle off Transparency Effect. How to speed up Windows computer in just 15 seconds. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Storage. Under the Local Disk section, click the Temporary Files option. Click the Remove Files button. How to speed up Windows 10 PC in just 15 seconds. To do it, go to Settings, Gaming, Game Mode, and move the Game Mode slider to off. Game Mode is turned on by default, so even if you've never played a game on your PC, it's probably enabled.
How to improve PC performance in Windows in just 15 seconds. To do this, select the Start button, then select Settings, then click on Apps. Click on Startup. In the Startup Apps area, find the program you want to stop from starting automatically and set it to off.